Alright, here we got a 4608 fresh off the truck. Just delivered platform 4-wheel drive. Just took it for a test spin. I really like this tractor. It's good and high in the air. It's got a good set of tires on it. It's got 16 930s on the rear. Extendable lower links. And 2 spool valves. So, I'm telling you, this is an ideal baling tractor. This tractor's got the joystick for your loader integrated in. That looks pretty nice. A little bit dirty there. Go ahead and open my hood. Let's crawl up on this 4608 75 horsepower platform, 4-wheel drive. Got your ground level fueling there. Your hand will grab a hold of. It's a 2 spool valve tractor. Independent PTO with drive control. Raise and lower your 3-point. You got your cup holder here on your right. You've got a loader joystick here integrated with your lockout for your loader joystick there in the front. High and low speeds. 6-speed transmission. That means it's 12 by 12. 4-wheel drive with diff lock there. Raise and lower your 3-point. There's your speed of your 3-point. And let's adjust our steering wheel down. There we go. It's got tilt steering. 2600 series didn't have that. Power shuttle. Let's crank it. Now remember, to crank any of these tractors, any of these 4600 series, the parking brake has to be on. There's your parking brake. Everything's got to be in neutral. We're in neutral, clutch is in. There we go. Grody sounding, I like it. Alright, just hit your brake, your parking brake comes off. Put her second. Can't find them, grind them. Power shuttle. Overall 4600 series platform. Really like it. It's a nice tractor. Nice features. Thanks. Here on the back of the tractor we got a toolbox. Just noticed that. That's pretty nice. There's your control for your seat. If you need to adjust the seat and up or down, make it ride harder or softer. There's your pin for your lights. 2 spool valves. Extendable lower links. And overall, this thing looks good to me. I like it. Thanks for watching.